Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Cardano. Ramifications of this bullish pattern breaking ADA's bearish structure. With the 23.6% Fibonacci level and the 63 cents recitance posing hurdles for the buyers, ADA saw a tight compression, while forming a bullish pennant on the daily timeframe. While the price action swayed below the 50 EMA, sign, the broader perspective still exhibited bearishness. The Bitcoin sentiment and its ripple effects could play an important role in the upcoming trajectory. More often than not, a bull pennant is perceived as a trend continuation pattern, rather than a reversal pattern. But the price action closed above the 2-month trendline resistance, and the 20 EMA alongside the bullish pennant formation. Could this be an indication of a possible trend reversal? If yes, then the 20 EMA would be a critical support to continue the uptrend in the days to come. A sustained close above the line would help the buyers find an upwards break. Any close above 63 cents could potentially trigger an entry point, with a take profit level in the $0.67-$7 range. However, taking cognizance of the long-term downtrend, a break below the 20 EMA could propel a near-term drawdown toward the $0.505 level. The relative strength index took a neutral outlook on the current market structure. The continued sluggish behavior of the index could lead to a squeeze phase. Further, the OBV saw a bearish divergence as the price action continues its compression inside the pennant. Even so, a sustained CMF close above its zero mark could favor the buying endeavors in the coming times. Conclusion: while the indicators were a bit of a mixed bag, ADA's break above the 63 cents could affirm a strong trend reversal. The investors should keep the 20 EMA as a base for timing entries as suggested above. Finally, ADA shares a high correlation with the King coin. Thus, investors should keep a close watch on Bitcoin's movement to make a profitable move. So next news. Cardano volume surges as DeFi development ramps up. It is no secret that Cardano remains the network with active developments going on at any point in time. This is now transferred over to the decentralized finance (DeFi) side of things, where developers continue to flock onto the network. The result of this has been a surge in the volume being transacted on the blockchain, most of which is being inspired by all of the development being carried out, bearing good tidings for investors. On Monday, IOG, the developer behind Cardano, took to his Twitter account to celebrate the fact that more than 1,000 projects are now being built on the Cardano ecosystem. The exact number was 1,003 projects at the time of the tweet, which cut across various niches in the decentralized finance (DeFi) space. NFT collections, however, made up the majority of these projects, with 40.4% of all projects being built being for non-fungible tokens (NFTs). This growth shows that interest in the Cardano network remains on the rise despite the price of its native token, ADA, still on the low side. It is expected that with so many projects being developed, it will lead to an influx of new money into the network, thus triggering a rise in the price of ADA as time goes on. Charles has not been entirely honest about some of his claims regarding his level of education. Shin responded to Hoskinson's comment on Twitter, stating that the Cardano founder should come forward and address the discrepancies regarding claims that he had dropped out of a doctorate degree program and the school's claims about the same. She replied on Twitter, "Hi Charles, speaking of fiction, do you want to address the discrepancies between your claims of dropping out of a PhD program and the school's assertions that you were enrolled as an undergrad?" She also uploaded several screenshots to back up her claims regarding Charles Hoskinson and the discrepancies regarding his statements about his education. Shin had not made the accusations out of thin air and had reached out to several schools that Hoskinson had claimed to have enrolled in for his doctorate degree program. However, it seems the institutions have refuted these claims. According to Shin, Hoskinson has stated on a number of occasions that he had completed an undergraduate program in number theory at the University of Colorado Boulder and the Metropolitan State University of Denver. However, he never completed his PhD program. However, information sourced by Shin from the schools reveals that Hoskinson had enrolled in And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.